Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
which of the following is false about Spalding's classification. So if you see in Spalding's classification, non-critical items also included in classification. Yes, even non-critical items like stethoscopes, thermometer, their sterilization is also included in Spalding's classification. Semi-critical items are those which are in contact with the mucous membrane. True, they require intermediate level of disinfectant, not the low level disinfectant. They require intermediate level of disinfectant. Cardiac catheter is an example of critical items. This is true. So the semi-critical items need low disinfectant is false. They need intermediate disinfectants.
thank you and thank you for watching.